The villagers of Mawpen today went to express their dissatisfaction over the appointment of the acting local head who was appointed without the consent of the public. On this matter, the people of Mawpen requested the district council to conduct the election at the earliest for appointment of the new full-fledged local head of the village. Speaking to the media, the people of Mawpen expressed that they have no choice but to turn to KHADC for help since the CM did not pay attention to their plea, but instead reappointed the ex-headman who was removed before without the consent of the village members and forcibly ordered the village members to submit the important documents. The executive member of the council who is in charge of the Mawpen Ilaka, Jamborwar, had assured the villagers to look into the matter and solve the issue at the earliest.
Hawai namangi dan ka kerung pokok senang jungi ma hakabaya dei ba ka jingjit acting rang ba senang dengi kong ka senang ni so tana de ka jingjit jung siem abangi khat ya ungi kerpa di hu bongan tembe ya ki jing pakala la ni ki kerung pokok senang henrai yo sngo patiao dengi kong ka senang ni ban se ni haban phasha ka district council ma ban pen iye ki jing jungi ki jing kendu jungi pokok senang ka jungi na maria mentah ya ka senang jungi kamtan kacing sup, mereka kan kenrum ke kenram, tiba nagaliang ka district council lu, kalau orang yang iba kan sasim kia, ya kini kikam kijam kibare hebo senang jungi, batkin saya lihat balak ban pendek tangkum dah.
Lemar bau ni acting bangi kum kesenang eksekutif urim yang man masuk mohon, balai juga dan bono usim, yang tak kedau usim, perlu acting. Ipan ikut kislan Krishna. Hari ini katkum garol juga Krishna Mawpen, ikut Krishna Mawpen. Ni hadin bangayo banjir orang Krishna matmai deha kata kapor gen kador banjir IT ikut Islam. Hari uan ban pos ini ban omban IT no ikut Islam. Nama bang ni mohon ni tahu acting bau usiji sop-sop ni kata de nagadau. Ini acting nama Krishna manusia. Kalau orang Krishna keng barim tambah dah kejinglek bakal pokok senang sistem pola sak kencan laksa weng no anak kamera mak senang tamenta lajib yang dah usul ni mon
dari kipai ba nang
senang usim udai tam unang aisanat
o kejingkwa jongki galong ba kikwa ya urang ba senang ba pan nomor kumakalong usim u la thung acting yu na duduk nai mat na marba ka tem jong urang ba senong uberem ka kut apabila ban pelong election ka wetrik march arajar arpo mereka lando ke covid-19 lah sangat no mla ban pelong kumba tip barok ula thung acting no henry ki pai ba jong senong pada kim hun yu to acting de yang tak kadau na kaliang jong ki nong senong tak ba mata gewan ni yang bangi ni tengim kuat tengi kuat du orang ba semua ni kalian jongi kata ni lah sim kia ni sa keren ni usim ba ni sai penbaik nang ni